Hello students, we are here with some important overviews about lesson Bricks, Beads and Bonds, the Harappan civilization. Key concept in nutshells. First we should do periodization. Period. Early Harappan culture before 2600 BC. Mature Harappan culture 2600 BC to 1900 BC. Later Harappan culture after 1900 BC to 1500. Dear students, this is the classification of the periodization can be seen here of the Harappan civilization. Early Harappan culture, mature Harappan culture, later Harappan culture. Later you can see extent of Harappan civilization. Here you can see extent of a Harappan civilization. Where were the boundaries of this civilization? In the northern boundary is the Manda in J&K, and southern boundary is Daimabad. This is the Daimabad in Maharashtra. So north to south we have the boundary from Manda in Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir, to southern boundary Daimabad in Maharashtra state today. Now we should know the boundary of the east to west of Indus Valley civilization. Eastern boundary Alamgirpur in Uttar Pradesh to western boundary Sutk-Gendor in Afghanistan. So this was the vast area of the civilization. This area is about 12,50,000 square kilometer. 12,50,000 square kilometer area, total extension of the civilization. Characteristics of the Harappan civilization. Planned urban center, unique feature of the modern period town, two sections. Planned urban centers, unique features of Mohenjo-daro. You have already seen about two sections of the Mohenjo-daro, the citadel and the lower town. Laying out of the drainage. Domestic architecture include warehouse, granary, great bath, bricks used for construction of buildings, double-story buildings. So this one is the domestic architecture. Warehouse, granary, great bath, brick used for construction of buildings and double-story building. Dear students, further we can see other features of this civilization. Here you have some features. Seals and ceilings used to facilitate long distance communication. Use of weights, usually made of stone called chards, generally cubical with no making. One more feature is the burials. To lay the dead in pits were found in Harappan civilization. Some graves contained pottery and ornaments, including a belief that these could be used after life. People believe that ornaments and pottery will be used by the departure soul after the life. They think that when person is died, so after death the person was carried at the graveyards in the graves, and people put there some pottery and ornaments. Why did they put such type of ornaments? It is believed that these could be used in afterlife. Afterlife means life after the death. So that's all may use such type of the belief of Indus Valley people having. Use of enigmatic scripts. So we should know scripts. Dear students, use of enigmatic scripts. Writing found in objects. Writing can be found in objects like seals, copper tools, rims of jars, and terracotta tablets, jewelry, bond rods. So this is the use of enigmatic script. Writing found in objects like seals. Here you can see seals, copper tools, rims of jars, and you can see terracotta tablets, you can see jewelry, you can see bond rods. So script was written in enigmatic script writing that can be found in objects like seals, copper tools, rims of jars, terracotta tablets, jewelry, bond rods. Dear students, some archaeologists are of the opinion that Harappan society had no rulers. It is the belief of some archaeologists that Harappan society had no rulers, whereas others are archaeologists feel that there was no single ruler but several rulers. Some think that in Harappan society there were rulers but several rulers. Some think that Harappan society had no rulers. Some think that there were the rulers and there were the many rulers. So there are two opinions. Some thought Harappan society had no rulers, whereas other archaeologists feel that there was no single ruler but several rulers in Harappan society.